Hey fam, I'm at Dollar Tree. I had to come in here and get me some noodles. My husband cooked some noodles yesterday. Them things were so good, fam. Oh my goodness. It's the little cup noodles. So I'm gonna go in here and get some. He said he gonna cook me some. I don't know what kind of season or flavor he put in them darn noodles, but they was good. So we are going into Dollar Tree. Y'all see I'm rocking the 70s. What is it? 80s jacket. Okay, they got their Valentine's up. Yeah. My birthday is in 5 weeks. No, let me see. 5 weeks. I will be 52. Very ready to feel. So I don't know what I am going to do. And I am on the wrong side. I don't know what I'm going to do for my birthday. I'm about to ex-husband what he going to do for me. First thing he hollered, well, it'll be supposed to be a surprise. Let me see their journals. I thought the Dollar Tree sell journals. See, no book. Composition book. I had bought a calendar. I don't know what I did with my calendar, but I had bought a calendar. I guess I'm going to have to buy another one. Because I sure had bought one. Let me see. What is this? Hopes and Dreams. Oh, now this is nice. Okay. Let me see. What's in there? Okay. I'm going to get this one. Did y'all do y'all list? Comment down below. I did mine. When they get from over there, I'm going to have to come back and get me a calendar. Let me find them noodles. When I tell y'all them noodles were good, man, they were good. And I mean good. All right. Okay, it was these. So I'm going to get two. He said get 2 or 3. I don't know what he put in them, though. That's the thing of it. He said get that. Get some mustard. So I'm going to get some yellow mustard. Let me check the date on that. Okay. That mustard. What else did he say? Oh, the salad dressing he liked. I think he giving out the hints of what he put in there. That expiration date on there. I'll get 2 of those. Maybe 3. Okay, I'll get 3. Noodles, mustard. Something else he said again. Okay. Uh-oh. I done dropped these folks stuff on me. Well, it won't go back in there. What else did he say there? Shoot, I done forgot. He said get some. Well, I gotta get some eggs somewhere else. Eggs and some parsley. I don't know what kind of. I know y'all probably saying what? Yeah, but it was good though, fam. It was good. All that thing about I ain't got nothing no. Them some good sandwiches right there. Especially the one with them ribs. Oh my goodness, they are real good. Let me see, do I need anything else? So I got the noodles. Look for my powder juice drink. I don't see I got that kind. I guess I get the pineapple. Get 2 of these. For my water, I'm drinking a lot of water. I'm giving one of the aloe vera juice. Keep on, been spending $20 in here. And what else I need to get? Oh, they got the other one. I think I'm a little candy that I like. And it only be like 5 in there. These are good. If y'all haven't tried these are good. But they ain't got nothing in there. Trying to see. Dang it. They sure ain't got now. Those are good too. I tried that one up there. That's good. Watermelon rings. I ain't never tried that right there. Oh, that fat free. How much sugar in here? Ooh, 15 grams of sugar. I'm gonna go over here and get this calendar. I think they done left from over there. Them two little old ladies. Okay. 50% off Christmas decor. Ooh. Alright. Those are cute. Okay, give me a dollar calendar I had bought last year was $1.25. These are $1.50. I guess because it's 2 packs. It's landscape. Look at this little puppy. I know I bought this calendar, but I don't know where it is. Look like that. Okay. Alright, fam. Christmas only, no toys. I thought I was candy. I'm over looking at the wrong thing. That's a lot of Christmas stuff for 50% off. That's a good time to be shopping. Back up for this year. Oh, this lady over here coughing. Let me get up out this stove. Okay, they got Valentine. Look at that price. Cotton candy, $5. Everything else, I think it's $1.25.
I don't know how many this class though, but I like the dinosaurs.
Okay.
What you say, Mom?
Y'all can come here and get the kids that little Valentine stuff for school, because it'll be here in a minute. That one down there is $3.25. No, $3.50.
No.
$3.50, $1.25.
No.
These little popping cards, lollipop card kits, $1.25.
Oh my goodness, I told you.
All right, fam. Let's go. I'll tell you one thing, fam. I spent $17 up in there. Just getting that little stuff there. You can't go broke up in dollar. Not so $1.25 though. That's what they need to name it. $1.25 and up. Just like that Five Below. It ain't Five Below no more. I gotta stop and get some eggs. And that's gonna be it. This thing here is shaking so bad.